It's raining hard. It's raining hard where we are. Bro, this hail right here. This hail right here. I want to go out there and get it, but I'm scared I might get. I'm scared I might get hit. Hey, Mom. You think I should? You think I should go outside real quick and get that hail that's right here?
No.
Why? It looks so cool. Yay!
Sit down. What?
Wow, look at that hail. And look. This is lightning outside. Wow.
I'll pay $13. I'll give you $13 right now if you go out there.
Bet!
Don't forget that.
Alright, so I could go out there right now without this?
You sit down.
See, it's slowing down.
Yes, I was going to say, you're about 5 more minutes.
Alright, bet, thanks.
You're not going out there with that.
Alright, bet. Here, I'll leave this right here. LJ, come over here and watch me.
I don't want to hear. I'm not going to watch that record you.
Exactly, that's what I'm recording.
Oh.
Bro, I swear, as soon as I come out there, it's what the...
You didn't have any shoes on.
I don't care.
At least just wait a little longer.
But, do you think I should?
No.
I'm out.
Kill it.
As soon as I open the door. Ready?
They coming for you.
Ready? Oh, shoot. That rain. I'm scared. Ready? You think I should?
No.
I'm about to.
Don't do it.
If I get hurt, you're taking me to a medical
No,
hospital.
I'm not. I'm not paying.
Yes,
I ain't
you
paying
are.
nothing. I'm not paying nothing.
You're paying for my medical injury.
No, I'm not.
5, 2, 3. I'm scared. 1, 2. And my sock got wet. Look. Oh, wow.
Can't even see it.
Can't even see it.
Dang. That's cool.